Yes, guys and girls, welcome back to another episode with me, Luke, where we talk about all things crypto. Now, I did say yesterday I wouldn't be shooting a video because I'm very busy, so I just decided to wake up a little bit earlier, 6 o'clock this morning, to shoot this video. So, what am I seeing in the charts today? And then after, we will look at two other cryptocurrencies I'll be dollar cost averaging into. So, without further ado, let's quickly look at the technicals. So again, the volume on the daily is not great, but if we zoom in, what am I seeing right now? Well, I am seeing a potential bull flag. Maybe you are too. So let's just draw this together. Okay, it's not the best bull flag in the world. Let's just move this. There we go. Okay, so what price target would this bull flag give us? What is interesting is if we put it at the end here, there we go, it is bang on the money of 30,000. Now the last few episodes I have been talking about the $30,000 level. So could we, with this bull flag, go up to my price point? Again, I wouldn't be surprised to see this candle wick filled, and the bull flag, I mean, it shows us clearly right here that it's up to 30,000 US dollars. Another interesting thing, if we take the indicator of the Bollinger Bands, now the Bollinger Bands on the 4 hour, as we can see, are tightening up, squeezing, especially on the 1 hour, it's really tightening up here. So the Bollinger Bands are just an indication of a major break towards to the upside or down, break down. Okay, so it's 50-50. But it just indicates that there's going to be a big move anytime soon. So with that in mind, with this bull flag, so we do have some bullish indication here, and then the Bollinger Bands are tightening up. It indicates that possibly, I'm not saying 100%, we break up to the upside. So if you're trading this, you have my Bybit link down in the description below. And if you want my advice, not financial advice, I would wait for the breakout of these parallel lines, okay, to the upside. Just wait for the breakout above the $28,550 level with a good amount of volume, and then if you're going to long this will give you a nice 5%. Okay, again, you can short it if you wish. Just one piece of bearish news is, let me just go back because I want to try and be objective with everybody. If you're longing or shorting, you do as you please. If I just get rid of this ascending triangle pattern, are we forming, it's not the best drawing, an ascending channel here? So usually we have two parallel lines for an ascending channel. It does indicate a bullish trajectory, but normally in an ascending channel we stay in this channel. So we could keep going as we've seen, back and forth. So we could come back down to 27,500, the dollar level. That is a possibility. And if you're trading this, then again, you can long by waiting for this channel to be broken, or at the resistance here, you can wait to short a lot lower if we break below this key resistance, this support here. Sorry, not the resistance above, the support below. So if we break the support below of around 27,500 or 27,500, then it might be worth putting in a short. So we could keep going back and forth in this channel. That wouldn't also surprise me. But looking at the daily again, we do have this bull flag forming. Okay, so that's just some quick updates on the Bitcoin price. So jumping over to, I just wanted to quickly talk about two other cryptocurrencies I'll be dollar cost averaging into, which is in the top 30, is Avalanche and Cosmos. So let's start with Avalanche first of all. Again, I'm not going to talk about the all-time highs anymore. I think you understand what I'm looking at, those prices which are in the low, that have fallen 90 odd percent. Okay, so I'm not going to keep going over that every single day, but you will see the pattern that I'm looking at. So again, this last all-time high was $146, and we're currently trading at $9 for each Avalanche, which is an absolute steal at the moment. I believe that this project will go back to its all-time high, and the reason for this is because with Avalanche, it is one of Ethereum's rivals, and it's aiming to unseat Ethereum, which I don't think it will, but it aims to do so by having a higher transaction output of up to 6,500 transactions per second, while not compromising scalability. So you can check out Avalanche's website. What I like about this, when I checked it out, the reason why I'm looking at Avalanche, especially in a technical point of view, is what I just said, and also take advantage of the low-code tooling and configurability that makes it easy to launch a Web3 innovation in less than 60 seconds. So Avalanche, they continue to aim to build bigger and better things as well, and why not join this ecosystem for those that are technical in here. If you're just in it for the cryptocurrency, then I'm sure, not 100% sure of course, do your own research, this is not financial advice, but Avalanche will be a big player in the next bull run. So this is another cryptocurrency that I will be looking at very closely over the next 6 to 8 months. Another one is Cosmos. Again, Cosmos, their apps and services connect using IBS, the Inter-Blockchain Community Protocol. This innovation enables you to freely exchange assets and data across sovereign, decentralized blockchains. Okay, and I mean, again, you can check out their website. So why Cosmos? Well, again, it's down quite a bit. If we go to the all, there we go. It was up at $44. Now it's at $6.24. So why Avalanche? Well, what I like about Avalanche is the fact that it has its own ecosystem. Let me just find it here. Okay, there we go. So it has its own ecosystem. It's relatively new. It's a really sound project. You can read about the project yourselves. And I believe, especially because of the ecosystem, it might be worth looking at its ecosystem as well, not just dollar cost averaging into Cosmos, but diving into its ecosystem there, because I believe that Cosmos and its ecosystem will do very well in the next bull run. So there's just two other, I'm going to be quick today because I have to shoot off to work, two other cryptocurrencies I'll be looking at. If you want more information on Avalanche and Cosmos, leave comments below and I'll be happy to talk more about these two cryptocurrencies in further detail. So check out the websites as well, do your own research, and tomorrow we'll look at another, maybe not the top 10. I think on Fridays I'm going to, for those that are new, dedicate Fridays looking at gaming cryptocurrency. So stay tuned for tomorrow, and I'm going to highlight one specific gaming token and company tomorrow, which I think will be a big player in the next bull run. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys tomorrow.